Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a bit of a fun pattern, So what I want you to do is just literally get your ding, your shoulder, and just a harmonic, and then I want you to experiment and fill the rest in. So we're going to go ding, shoulder, harmonic. So ding, shoulder. And you can add in whatever you want. So we're just going to make it really, really simple. So if you're a beginner and you're not sure about filling it in, we can do it with me. Or if you're an intermediate player like myself, you can just go. You make it up as going on. So ding, shoulder, harmonic. Get the echo. And if you want to add a bit of effect, push in a little, just like on and off, on and off, on and off, very gently. Hear that? Sounds really, really nice. So it's just going to go ding, shoulder, harmonic. So we're just going to play. It's actually a chord, but I can't remember the chord. So memory problems, it's fun. So ding. So some people who's watching this probably go, yeah, I could do that piece. Right, let's mix it up. So now we're going to go ding, shoulder, harmonic. Then we're going to go up the scale. So yeah, so you just speed it up. So speed up, and then what I want you to do once you got that, you're like, yeah, this is boring now. Change it. So I want you to put the L shape again. Think of the L shape. And you're going to hit these two. Them two. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to go. So, ding. Oh, did it wrong. Oh, did it again. Oh, false about a bit. Right. Ding, shoulder, harmonic. Now then change up, spice up. So yeah, so something simple as that, but it sounds like go slow, go fast. Something soft as that, simple as that sounds so good. And then eventually, put some chords in. Maybe just do the same again. Ding, shoulder, harmonic. And that's just about experiment, have some fun, enjoy it, and if you do, tag me in because I would love to see what you come up with, some amazing grooves. And you can teach me, I think, it too. Everybody can learn from everyone. So have some fun and enjoy yourself. And if you like this, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Subscribe really does help me. Thank you.